This is Jeff McGovern, the Pest Coach. Let's take a look at the Foam-Matic 1.25 from Birchmeier. This is a small, very convenient little foamer that fits almost anywhere on a service vehicle. Now what the gentleman is doing here is going through a restroom that's in a commercial storage facility. And we've got some issues in there. And they've been using this foamer for cleaning, as well as eliminating issues with small flies and other insects that may get in some of these zones. So what we're going to do here is a little bit of foaming work. This is how they do the cleaning process. And we'll just do a quick demo here so you can see just how well this little foamer puts out product. And he's pumping it back up here to full power. And watch this. One swath across this area. And once this is done, they can let the foam product work and then go ahead and clean that area up. Works great for this type of thing, and frankly, it saves some money on aerosol products. Once again, around the toilet area, this can get pretty gross, but he's going through here and foaming it, and then they'll go ahead and do all the necessary wet cleaning in this area so they get it taken care of as well. Down the drain, just put the pipe extension onto the same foamer, and then you can reach into these areas and dispense foam down the drain areas as well. Works great for that. Well, what if you have a small void you want to treat? And here's a perfect example. You've got a lot of hollow space inside these metal door frames, and we've had some insect breeding in there as well. Well, now he can take an appropriate product and foam into those areas and completely cover everything he needs to without any inconvenience at all. So we've got this door frame, and we've got the one on the outside of the building as well that had the same type of issue. And he's able to treat those areas very, very easily. So that's the Foam-Matic 1.25 from Birchmeier. A handy tool that belongs in every single service vehicle.